Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
For national anthem, which is going to be led by our Maggie Gadram.
Mlungu dali tani Malawi musungentendele gonje tani adani onse jalantenda Luzitani mitima yatu kutitisope dali senso goleli nafe Malawi rucha kutoa nyata na wanangwa nyanja mpepo zamu mapiri Madambo nyata yavundira yatipa wanangwa nguina madambo ya wemi kutoa Freedom ever, let us all unite to build up Malawi with our love, our zeal and loyalty, bringing our best to time of peace, one purpose and one goal. Men and women serving selflessly in building
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. A big hand on that one. That was a really right. Thank you so much for that beautiful singing there. Thank you. We may all get seated.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.